Question number 1. The best position for a pregnant woman in labor is? The correct option is C. Left lateral. Question number 2. The most common benign tumor of the uterus is? The correct option is A. Fibroid. Question number 3. The commonest type of pelvis in females is? The correct option is B. Gynecoid. Question number 4. The best investigation for detecting ovarian cancer is? The correct option is C. CA125. Question number 5. The most common site of metastasis for ovarian cancer is? The correct option is D. Peritoneum. Question number 6. The safest period for a pregnant woman to travel is? The correct option is D. Second trimester. Question number 7. The most common complication of multiple pregnancy is? The correct option is A. Preterm labor. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a risk factor for cervical cancer? The correct option is D. Late menopause. Question number 9. The normal amount of amniotic fluid at term is? The correct option is B. 500 to 1000 ml. Question number 10. The most common type of bridge presentation is? The correct option is a Frank bridge. Question number 11. The best treatment for severe postpartum hemorrhage is? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 12. The most common fetal anomaly in diabetic mother is? The correct option is B. Cardiac anomalies. Question number 13. The best time to perform an endotracheal biopsy is? The correct option is C. After ovulation. Question number 14. The most common site of endometriosis is? The correct option is B. Ovaries. Question number 15. The condition where the placenta covers the cervix is called? The correct option is A. Placenta previa. Question number 16. Which petal presentation is considered ideal for vaginal delivery? The correct option is C. Vortex. Question number 17. The best screening test for cervical cancer is? The correct option is B. Pap smear. Question number 18. The most common site for cervical cancer is? The correct option is D. Transformation zone. Question number 19. During the engagement of the fetal head occurs it? The correct option is A. Station 0. Question number 20. Which part of the placenta is in contact with the fetus? The correct option is C. Chorionic flat. Question number 21. The most common cause of secondary amenorrhea is? The correct option is B. Pregnancy. Question number 22. Which vitamin deficiency is most common in pregnancy? The correct option is C. Folic acid. Question number 23. The major risk factor for abruptio placenta is? The correct option is A. Hypertension. Question number 24. Which hormone stimulates milk production? Postpartum. The correct option is D. Prolactin. Question number 25. The most common site of episiotomy incision is? The correct option is B. Mediolateral. Question number 26. The first line imaging modality for evaluating an ovarian cyst is? The correct option is C. Ultrasound. Question number 27. The most common cause of prolonged labor is? The correct option is A. Fetal malposition. Question number 28. The normal duration of the third stage of labor is? The correct option is D. 5 to 10 minutes. Question number 29. The most common fetal presentation at delivery is? The correct option is C. Cephalic. Question number 30. The main cause of vaginal yeast infection is? The correct option is B. Candida albicans. Question number 31. The hallmark symptom of polycystic ovary syndrome is? The correct option is D. All of the above. Question number 32. The most common cause of death in eclampsia is? The correct option is A. Stroke. Question number 33. The safest antihypertensive drug in pregnancy is? The correct option is B. Methyl-dopa. Question number 34. The recommended age for HPV vaccination is? The correct option is A. 9 to 14 years. Question number 35. The most common fetal malpresentation is? The correct option is the occiput posterior. Question number 36. The best diagnostic test for endometritis is? The correct option is C. Laparoscopy. Question number 37. The safest anticoagulants in pregnancy is? The correct option is B. Heparin. Question number 38. The most common presentation of fibrocystic breast disease is? The correct option is A. Fellness lumps. Question number 39. What is the normal duration of pregnancy? The correct option is D. 40 weeks. Question number 40. What is the average duration of menstruation? The correct option is B. 3 to 7 days.